Everybody is looking for that moment of clarity when everything just makes sense, and for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, it happened in a cave. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, often retreated to the Cave of Hira, seeking solitude and reflection. One night during Ramadan, something extraordinary occurred. The angel Jibreel, Gabriel, appeared, commanding him, Iqra, read. Though unlettered, the Prophet responded, I am not one who reads. After repeating the command, Gabriel instructed him to read in the name of your Lord, who created man from a clinging substance. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man that which he knew not. Overwhelmed, the Prophet returned to his wife Khadijah, radiallahu anha, who comforted and reassured him. She affirmed his experience and sought counsel from her cousin, Waraqa ibn Nawfal, a Christian scholar, who confirmed the divine encounter. This marked the beginning of the Qur'an's revelation, guiding humanity with wisdom and light. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, chosen as Allah's final messenger, began his mission with courage and sincerity, inspiring millions around the world.